Hazrat Jarir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, "Why don't you relieve me of Zul Khalasa by annihilating it?" Hazrat Jarir radiyallahu anhu said, and it was a house idol temple of Khatham tribe called Kaaba Yamaniya. He, Hazrat Jarir radiyallahu anhu said, I accompanied by 150 riders from the Ahmas tribe, who were all night riders, proceeded, and he said, I could not sit firm on a horse. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck my chest with his hand till I saw his finger impressions on my chest. And then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, keep him steadfast and make him a guiding and guided man. So he ventured towards that house and wrecked and burned it. Then he sent a man to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to inform him of that. Hazrat Jarir's messenger said, by him who has sent you with the truth, I proceeded towards you when it had become like an emaciated or a scabby camel, completely wrecked. He says that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon invoked blessing for the cavalry and infantry of the Ahmas tribe 5 times. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3020.